Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT as language translation tool. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To use ChatGPT as language translation tool, first of all, you need to download an extension in your Google Chrome browser. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Go to extension and here you will find visit Chrome Web Store. Click on visit Chrome Web Store and click on extensions tab. Now in search type keywords everywhere, and this is the keyword everywhere tool. Just click here and then you will find the keyword everywhere keyword tool and click on add to Chrome button. A pop-up window will be open. Click on add extension and the extension is added. Go to extensions and click on pin on keyword everywhere, and look, keyword everywhere tool is added on my browser as the extension. Now go to your ChatGPT. When keyword everywhere extension is added on your Google Chrome browser, you will find the K button or K template button here, or you will find here the K template. Click on the K template and then the first option is the category. Choose a category and I am choosing productivity. Then subcategory, select a subcategory. I am selecting translation and then go to templates, select a templates. Here you will find different type of templates for translations. First of all, native translation. I am selecting native translation, paste content, select the language in which you want to translate. I am selecting here Arabic and paste the text here. I want this text translation in Arabic. And just paste here. Now native country, as because my language is Arabic, so I have to type a country name which is in Arab, Saudi Arabia. Now click the execute template button and the translation is going on. The translation is done. This is the native translation. Now I am going to select it and copy. Then go to K template again, and here it's in template type. Select language detector, paste content. My language is English, so select the language English and paste the content here. And the native country, I'm typing the native country USA, and then click on execute template. Look, the detected language is Arabic. That means this language is Arabic, and here is the translation into US English. This is the translation into US English. Now again click on templates. Now I'm going to show you the different language template, that is expert language translator. Select it, and now I am selecting the different language, that is Japanese, and voice tone is casual, and writing style should be conventional. And now I am going to paste the text here. Now click on execute template. The template is executing. And now the translation is in two different paragraphs, and you will find the title of the paragraphs. This is the expert translations. In this way, you can use ChatGPT as language translation tool. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.